Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, best Vietnam hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Do you have any idea for your new hairstyle in 2023? If not, let's explore this hot long hair extension style in 2023. The first style for long hair extension is half up and half down. With the help of this long hair extension style, you may add familiarity and charm. The secret to this long hair extension style is using the right treatment to give the hair a very shiny, healthy look and then smoothing it just over the top of your head. Before adding a crystal hair accessory, wrap the ponytail extension around it and fasten them. The hair on top of the head shouldn't be pulled too closely to the base of hair extension when wearing half up, half down long hair extension style, because doing so will expose the tip, glues or bed. Twist is the second hot long hair extension style in 2023. Since they are adorable, simple, while still being feminine, twists are long hair extension style that are suitable for all females. Twist long hair extension style would be really simple to create with a hollow extensions. Once the hollow is on and your hair extension curl on the back of your head, take two sections from the front of your face and twist them back to match each other. You can pick up parts to braid with, or you can just glue the ones you have. This long hair extension style can be braided and left loose with a boho appearance. Put in a short ponytail and secure with a bobby pins for more edgy appearance. Another style for long hair extension is called Dutch braids. Because it's simple to expose the connection and simple to induce hair loose, braid hair is not recommended if you're using micro-links or tape-in hair extension. You can wear long hair extension style with clip-in or hollow hair extensions. You should first curl your hair extension to give off a more liberal appearance, then loosely braid your hands. Additionally, if you add color, headbands or pins to this long hair extension style, you will seem more striking. I hope that with these three hairstyles, you have more idea for your hair in 2023 to become more prominent and attractive. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, best Vietnam hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.